Enzymes are biological catalysts, but the question arises in which way enzymes works. So we will discuss now mode of action of enzymes. But enzymes always works in steps. If we divide it into number of steps, then basically we have four major steps. Number one, step binding of substrate and enzymes with the presence of activator or cofactors will also attach it to the enzymes. Number one, binding substrate binds to enzymes, and it always binds to the active site of the enzymes. Number second, steps the formation of enzyme substrate complex. Now in this diagram you can see after the binding of the enzymes and substrate, new form of enzyme substrate complex will be formed. Enzymes weaken substrate bonds and attach itself. In case of third step, when the enzyme substrate complex formed, then the process of catalysis will be started. Now conversion substrate into products and enzyme product complex will be formed after the process of catalysis. Rearrangement of bonds के बाद changes appeared after the attack of the enzymes to the substrate. जो new form हमारे पास आएगी वो enzymes product complex की form होगी. Now in case of fourth steps, release product released, enzymes released products and again becomes free. Enzymes जो होगा इस fourth steps में आप देखें, after the complete formation of enzymes product complex, now substrate is completely converted into product and products are ready to release or detach from the enzymes, and after it enzymes will be free and they never ever become the part of the product. कभी भी product का part नहीं बनता, as it is formed में after the reaction it will be availed and ready for the next reaction. दूसरे reaction के लिए ये free होगा. तो ये हमारे पास simple सा concept आ गया mechanism of enzyme activity. It is simple described but not simple in its function.